All right, so here we are with Ruta graveolens is a Mediterranean subshrub. This has been here for, I think this is its 9th year. I went in the first year, so it's very long lived. We get 2 cuttings a year, and I like to cut it when some of these flowers have actually set seed. So we're a little bit young yet, but it'll make these green seed pods. And so I'll cut it relatively low down, quite a ways down here, and then I'll get a regrowth. And so I like to harvest it with flower and some green seed pods, and the leaf and the flower and that's the medicine. And it has too bad you can't smell things through the internet here. This has a very distinctive smell. I really like it. Some people may not like the smell, and I've had people harvest it for me barehanded and break out in a rash. So this is another one of those plants that has, some toxic properties, you might say. So it's used medicinally. It's interesting that a lot of the Hispanics in South America, it's really heavily used in South America by the woman, I think for some kind of menstrual regulation. I don't know any details. But it has medicinal uses. It's also, I believe, used for certain, I think, cancers or warts. So it's a strong plant. So you research this before you actually start using it. But it's lovely, smells good, and is very long-lived. Really a reliable. Once you have it, you can go for years with it. So I'm happy to have this small amount. We don't sell. It's not a big seller for us. So we just need a small bed. We don't need a lot of it. But like I say, the smell is particularly entrancing. It's called the herb of grace, herb of grace in Shakespeare and some of the, so it's well known in the European traditions.